everyone, it's Tanya here and welcome back to my series called What's in My Wardrobe. This is a series where I talk through a piece of clothing that's in my wardrobe and I highlight any alterations I might have done, any repairs or any upcycling. And today it's a very simple repair that I'm going to show you, but I just want to talk to you about this dress first. This is a vintage 1970s Marks and Suspenders, Marks and Spencer's nightie. And I saw it on eBay, and as soon as I saw it, I thought, I just had this flash in my head, like, I know that piece. And I thought to myself, I'm sure my mum had this. I'm sure my mum had this nightie, but maybe it was in a slightly different colourway. I couldn't quite remember. Anyway, I bought it and I wear it as a summer dress, and it is the lightest fabric. So, you know, on a hot day, it's just wonderful. I love it. Anyway, my sister came to stay and she looked at me and she said, "Is that Mum's? I'm sure Mum had one of those." So I thought, yeah, Mum did have it. And then a friend of mine came to stay, I was wearing it, and she said, "I'm sure my mum had that nightie in the 1970s. So all the evidence was gathering. And then one day out of the blue, I don't know, 3 or 4 years ago, I came across this photo, and it was a picture of my mum in this very night dress. So it's got a special place in my heart. Anyway, at this time of the year, we're at the end of the summer, and what I do is I wash everything that I've worn throughout the summer, and I do any repairs, and then I pack it away so that it's ready for next year. And when I was just looking at this one, I noticed that on the back seam, the stitching has just come away a bit. Can you see? You can see some stitches there. So I looked inside and I saw that this seam is in fact both sewn and overlocked, and it's just the sewn seam where the stitches have come undone. So very simply, all I'm going to do is I'll get some matching cotton. This is white, and I will start here and I will just do a running stitch on the machine up to about there. I'll cut this off and that will secure it, and that seam will go back to being perfect and I can put it away for next year. So for those of you who are not very accomplished sewers, I just want to tell you, if there is a rip or a tear and it's on a seam, it's the easiest thing in the world to repair that so you can continue to use that garment. Don't be put off by small jobs like this. I hope that's shown you that you can repair your clothes and keep them going for a bit longer. I hope to see you soon. Bye.